Hello, guys, it's my final day in Rome, so join me as I make the most of my last day in Rome. Let's go. Another beautiful place I walked into is this Teatro di Marcello. Looks a little bit like the Colosseum, to be honest, but it could only fit like 15,000 people, which still is a lot, of course. And yeah, beautiful. I was walking from over there and I turned the corner and I was like, huh, is this the Colosseum? For a second I thought it was the Colosseum, but quickly I saw it was really small but very, very beautiful. Let's take a look around this theater. I think we could walk there. Oh no, it's closed off. We cannot walk there, it's closed off. Yeah, Rome. It's like a big open-air museum. So sad a human has only two eyes, because I could for sure use them everywhere. Another impressive square here in Rome, with the beautiful temples over there and a magnificent fountain over here. Just look how beautiful it is. And over there in the church we have the Mount of Truth. It's actually a large mask, like a sculpture that weighs around 1,300 kilograms. So there is a myth about this mask that back in the Middle Ages people thought it was some sort of a lie detector. So if somebody was a liar or a thief or anything like that, they would place the hand of the person inside it, and if he would lie when placing his hand there, his hand would be bitten off by the sculpture. So the thing is actually that back in the day, an executioner would take the criminal or the thief to the plate, put his hand there, and then often people were scared and were telling the truth. But in case the executioner thought that the thief was not telling the truth, he would give a signal or something to another person that was behind the sculpture, and he would cut his hand off with some sort of sword or anything like that. And that's why people were so afraid and thought that the mask would actually bite off the hand if you would tell a lie. Even today, parents will still tell this story to their children when they did something bad. They say something like, well, we will see if you lie, I will take you to the statue. And then of course the kids will be scared because, yeah, they believe it's true. So I think we should take a closer look there. So let's go inside. Like you can see, there is a line to get your photo taken here at the Mount of Truth. Somebody's actually taking the photos here for you if you want, so it's nice. And here you can see it from close. The Mount of Truth. Nice, right?
Grazie.
So we're waiting in line here to visit the crypt of Hadrian. Pope Hadrian.
Not Emperor.
Yeah, that's true. That's actually true. Big lines, eh?
Very big.
Beautiful walk, Yves.
Yeah, very beautiful. Oh,
I can feel it in my legs after walking 25 kilometers a day on average.
it's a serious hill here.
Quite hilly, eh?
Whoa. Yeah, I'm also not 25 years old anymore. Eh?
That's true. Me neither. Downhill would go faster for me. I just make a little ball of myself and I roll myself down the hill.
Roller Robbie.
Yeah, instead of roller coin, roller Robbie.
Instead of Robbie travels, roller Robbie.
Yeah, watch out, because if you use me as a bowling ball,
maybe it should be the new name for the channel. Put it in your comments.
He's crazy. Don't pay attention to him. He took me to Bella Monaca yesterday in the middle of the night.
I told you it wasn't so dangerous, and was I right?
No, it wasn't no dangerous actually. It was fun. Nice place to go out actually.
Relaxing walk.
This is a relaxing walk as well. So if you want a photo with the Keyhole and the Basilica that you see often pass on Instagram, you can go to the back of this line here and then take your picture over there. I will not do that because I rather watch the sunset now, because by the time we're finally there it's probably already dark. So yeah, let's go enjoy some beautiful sunset. Wow, what a beautiful sunset. This is cool music. What happened?
It was really scary.
Scary? Oh yeah. So guys, it's time to review this hotel. Where will I start? At first, during the entire time, there's never anyone at the reception. When you try to call them with the phone, at several occasions, nobody picked up. Nobody. What's next? How clean is this hotel? Well, I will tell you. The entire time I slept here with only this sheet. The reason why is I always put my sheets there because they're so dirty. They're like stains on it everywhere. I don't want to know where the stains are coming from. But I'm sure it's not nice. Yeah, what more can I say? They come here every day with fresh towels, so that's a good thing. The bathroom, the shower curtain, so annoying. I know I'm complaining a lot, but normally I don't do this, but this is actually the worst hotel I ever stayed in Europe, so I have to tell you why. When taking a shower, it's okay to take a shower if you come here in the evening, then you will have hot water. Every time I shower in the morning, it's either cold or like a little bit warm. So yeah, and at last the bed. This is like sleeping on stone. So yeah, no, I will not return here for sure. So thank you, Eve, for choosing this awesome hotel. I will miss Rome, but for sure not this place. Pooh. What a crap hole. Ugh, what is this? So disgusting. I'm happy I can go now. Stupid things. Dirty place.